Hello FPL lovers and welcome back to the channel today. Game week 3 is over and today we will discuss what is my initial reaction on game week 3. Please join my league and if you have not yet joined, before moving forward please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. With that being said, let's get into the video. We have finally arrived at our first international break, and as this time there are lots of options in every position, transfers are happening and as a result prices are going up and down very quickly. At first we have Michael Antonio coming at a price of 7.9 million, who is most transferred this game week. Due to his 3 consecutive double-digit haul, many FPL managers are transferring him in the team, taking his total ownership to 47%. This game week, he scored 1 goal and provided 1 assist. He created 1 chance and attempted 5 shots also. If we see the upcoming fixtures of West Ham, they will face Southampton, United, Leeds and Brentford. So I think fixture-wise also this looks good. Next we have Ferran Torres coming at a price of 7.1 million. This game week he scored 18 points as he scored 2 goals and provided 1 assist. He attempted 4 shots out of which 2 were on target. With an XG of 1.25 he created 2 chances. As per the ownership, only 5.3% FPL managers own him. He is a great differential this season. Also we need to note that City were up against Arsenal, who are currently playing terrible. Next upcoming fixtures also seems favourable except Chelsea and Liverpool. Only concern is a rotation done by Pep and we can't really predict whom City will start. At 7.1 million I think he offers good option. So I do agree that this is a great move. Next we have Benrahma coming at a price of 6.4 million, already owned by 28% of FPL managers. Last game week against Palace his stats were not so good I think. He did made some great run behind the defense line and also attempted to pass but failed to create any big chance though. Now if I see the upcoming fixtures of West Ham, I think within 6.5 million range except Rafinha, Benrahma gives good option. Keeping fixture and price in my mind, I do think bringing in Benrahma in your team is a good move. Next we will see which all players have been transferred out most this game week. At first we have Tsimikas, who is owned by 27% of FPL managers. This is quite obvious that once Robertson is fit, he will replace Tsimikas. Most importantly, if you sell him, you will benefit 0.1 million. So sell him as soon as possible to get 0.1 million, as it's sure that he won't start. Last game week he replaced Robertson at the last minute. Next player we have is Danny Ings, who is owned by 38% of FPL managers. Now this is quite a trend of bringing in DCL in place of Danny Ings. If we see his stats, I would say Ings owners were a bit lucky that he provided points every game week starting from game week 1 until game week 3. Villa are far behind what they showed last season. If we see the upcoming fixtures also, Villa will face Chelsea, Everton, United and Spurs, among which Chelsea, United and Spurs are away match. So fixture wise also Villa has very tough fixture. So yes, transferring out Danny Ings is a good move. Next player is also from Aston Villa and that is Martinez. As discussed, fixture-wise Villa will have a tough fixture and also he will miss game week 4 due to quarantine restriction as he will be with Argentina for the World Cup qualifiers. At 5.5 million with tough fixtures as well as unavailability of Martinez, I think it's good move transferring out Martinez. So that's all I have got today. Please follow me in Instagram and Twitter where I will share my updated team just before deadline, and also don't forget to join my league. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to show support for the channel, and once again click that notification bell so that you guys don't miss any future uploads. Also leave a comment how much you guys have scored in game week 3, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.